For marketers, YouTube is no longer just another ad platform. It's an entire ecosystem. But most brands are still approaching it in silos. This could mean total misalignment between your paid, organic, and creator strategies, and therefore a missed opportunity to show up in a positive, cohesive way to your audience. That's why we built Pixability360, the first and only solution designed to bring the entire YouTube ecosystem together so brands can approach the platform the way audiences actually experience it. Connecting how your brand shows up across all of YouTube and creating alignment across ads, your brand's channel, and the creator ecosystem. So you can finally understand what's working, what's not, and unlock new opportunities. Because when YouTube strategies align, they don't just perform better, they have a greater impact on your audience. Pixability360, your complete view of YouTube. Don't YouTube without us.